In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could make up to $200 a day with CPA marketing using the content locking trick, as well as a very cool platform, which you all know is Instagram.com, to gain traffic to your CPA marketing offers, and I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step manner. So stick on as we dive right into this video. And if you're actually interested in making money online, you may want to just simply check out my channel because I regularly create videos on how to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you may want to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells as well. So, guys, with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. Firstly, guys, you may want to head over a cool platform right now called Modiolo.com. This is an amazing platform where people could easily gain access to cool and amazing games to download on their devices and make use of. Now, if you keep on scrolling through, you can see a lot of cool games available on the platform right now. You may want to search for a specific game on this section, or you may want to filter based on category. As you can see, you can also filter based on action, adventure, arcade, or any category of your choice. Maybe I want to come right here and I want to search for the Pokemon. So, if I do go to search for this specific game called Pokemon Go, as you can see, there are a lot of games related to that search term, and this is the game I want to utilize right now. As you can see, if I do click on the game, I'll be able to see more details about the game. And here right now, guys, you can see more details about the game. I could easily download the game on this page right now. You can see much more details of which I can just simply click on download and download the game on my device. After getting to this page, you may want to go on to creating a simple landing page for this particular game right now. And you can utilize platforms like maybe Linktree, System.io, but what I'm going to be using for today's video is this platform right here called Google Site. Now, once on Google Site, you want to click on this plus icon to create a blank site. Now, it's going to take you to a blank page where I'm just going to come onto this section right now. You want to hover around this section, a delete icon will be shown to you in a matter of some seconds. And I'm just going to delete this section. Now, that has been deleted, I'm going to click on this text box to add a new text box. Head back to that Pokemon Go site, and I'm just going to copy this particular text right here, which is actually the title. I'm going to head back to my Google site. I'm going to paste that in right here in this section, and I'm just going to edit this. Maybe I'm just going to centralize this. If I centralize this, I can make that bold. I can also change the font color. Maybe I could actually change that to something like red, and that looks quite okay. So, once this has actually been done, I can change these texts to uppercase if I want. I'm going to leave this as it is now. I'm going to head back to this particular section, and I'm just going to download these images. Now, to download these images right here, you want to right-click on that, save the image on your device, and once the image has successfully been saved, I'm going to come to this section and also do something quite similar to this. Now, I'm just going to save the image on my device also. Once the images have been saved, I'm going to head back to my landing page right now. I'm going to click on this image option, and I'm going to upload the remaining 2 images right there. As you can see, the images have been uploaded. I'm just going to stretch this, so as you can see right here, this section actually looks better. I'm going to upload a new image right now. Now, that image is going to be this one right here. So, once I actually do upload the image, I'm just going to make this look quite bigger. Now, this actually looks quite okay. You can see how the page looks like. Now, I'm going to increase this font size because this actually looks quite small. While this has actually been increased to something like, let me say, 36. This actually looks better. At the bottom section right now, you could add a simple text right now. On this text box, guys, you want to type in something like this, which says, start playing Pokemon Go on your mobile today. Maybe I'm just going to make the font also red, make that bold and actually increase the font size to something like 24, then centralize the text. Now, once this is done, I just simply need to add a button, and I'm just going to drag and drop the button right now. Or select the button option. You want to just simply type in something like download. Once you type in something like this, in this link section, you want to paste the link to the games page. Head back to this Pokemon page, and on this page, guys, I'm just going to copy the link to this particular page. Head back to this section and add that right now. Or rather, you actually need to go on to adding the link to your CPA URL file locker. Which is why we're just simply going to copy this link to this page. Head on to a CPA marketing platform, which is CPA Grip to be precise. Or if you have any other CPA marketing platform that has a content locking capability, you can actually make use of that. Now, once you come onto this page, you want to head onto the URL file locker section, which you can get to by coming onto the monetization tools option, then select URL file locker. Create a new one, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and that's actually going to bring you to this page. Firstly, you want to lock the link to that page right there in this section. Once you do that, head on to the template, and you want to select a very cool template. Now, I'm going to select this template, which is the human verification template. Head back to General, and this section, which says, complete the survey below to prove you're human and not an automated robot. What I'm going to do is to edit this right now to something like this, which says, complete the survey below to download Pokemon Go right now. And you just need to actually fill out these details. Maybe you could just simply check this auto show offers, and you may want to give this URL file locker a name. So, I'm just going to name this something like Pokemon Go. If I do name it something like this, once I'm done, I'm just going to go on to clicking on save. My URL file locker will automatically be generated right now, of which I can then just simply click on get link right now, copy the link to the URL file locker, head back to my landing page on Google site, paste the link right here, click on insert, and my link will be generated. Then I can just simply drag and drop that in this section. Now, you can see how cool this actually looks like. When this is done, click on publish right now. And you want to just simply select a domain to this particular landing page. I'm just going to select something like Pokemon. If I just select something like this, which is the Pokemon Go tab, this is actually available. I'm going to click on publish right now. That's actually been published. I'm going to click on the link icon, copy the link, and go on to promoting this link. Like I said earlier, we're going to be promoting the link with this very cool platform called Instagram. You want to go on to Instagram, you want to create an account. It is quite easy to create an account. You want to just simply do something quite similar to this. Get a very cool profile image related to that particular niche which you are focusing on. You can see right now, this is actually a Pokemon. This is a very cool image. You want to just simply do something quite similar to this. Once you do this, guys, you want to also leave the link that you just simply got from your URL file locker or your landing page in this particular bio of your account. And edit the bio to look cool. Once you do that, guys, as you can see, they're actually generating or posting content regularly right now. And you want to just simply go on to generating your own content and post regularly also. To do so, guys, you just need to go on to creatingwithcanva.com. Now, once you come on to canva.com, you want to go on to searching for the Instagram Reel video. If you do search for that right now, it's going to take you to a page where you can see a lot of templates that you could easily utilize. And you want to scroll through until you can see a very cool template that is actually suitable to you. And right now, guys, the template I'm going to be utilizing is this particular one right now. Once you actually do select this, click on Customize this template. You're going to be brought to a page that will look similar to this, of which you can easily edit this template. So, guys, once you're brought to this page, all you need to do next, guys, is just simply to go to getting a gameplay video of that particular game and just insert in this section. To do that, just simply head to YouTube and you may want to search for the Pokemon Go gameplay. And when searching for that, it is important you make use Creative Commons videos. Click on Filters. You want to select the Creative Commons and you'll only be able to see Creative Commons videos that you could easily repurpose. So, just simply get a link to the gameplay that you want to utilize. Head on to this platform, which is called savefrom.net, and just simply insert the link right here, download the video, and you want to head back to Canva right now. While on Canva, click on this upload option and go on to uploading that particular video right now from your device. Once the video has successfully been uploaded, you just need to drag the video and drop in this section. And you can see right now, the video has actually been inserted. If you do click on the play icon, you're going to see how cool the video actually goes on to looking like. So, guys, after that has actually been done, you just need to insert a cool text like this that says download Pokemon Go application right now. This section says, link in bio. And once this is actually done, click on share, and you can just simply go on to clicking on the download icon, and download the video on your device. Head on to your Instagram team page and upload that right now. This is a very cool way to get cool and amazing content. The content which you actually do get from YouTube can actually be broken down into various pieces right now, of which you can utilize that for various videos right now of various Instagram Reels. Now, you could also go on to platforms like Facebook, and you want to just simply search for Instagram engagement. You can see a lot of Instagram engagement groups which you can easily join to help you get cool and amazing engagement to your Instagram team page. Of which, if you are doing that, you're going to be getting much more clicks to the link in your bio of your account because the videos are going to be getting much engagement, and Instagram may actually kind of promote such kind of videos. Now, if they do promote the videos, you're going to be getting much more clicks to the link in the bio of your account, and that in turn will enable you get lot more engagement to your CPA marketing offers, and you could get paid some cool and amazing affiliate income. So, this is a cool strategy one advise you take advantage of. Don't forget, guys, I usually create videos on ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.